let's understand about this topic, that is how was the Indian Constitution made. As you know, in our country there was a significant steps, you can say. In our country we have attempted to draft one of the most important, one of the most relevant constitution for India. For this purpose, in our country, many years before the independence, we have attempted to draft, we have attempted to design one of the most beautiful constitution for India. For this purpose, for the first time on 9th December 1946, members in Constituent Assembly, they sat and they discussed about the planning of, they discussed about the future of Indian constitution. But as India get partitioned on 14th August 1947, once again this particular Constituent Assembly, it was divided. Some members of this Constituent Assembly, they went in Pakistan and they sat in Pakistan Constituent Assembly. So members who elected in this particular assembly, in this particular Constituent Assembly, their selection was made, their selection was done based on a cabinet mission plan. As you know, cabinet mission plan, this plan was introduced in India in 1947 when British government was going to ensure the freedom of India for Indian people. So based on this cabinet mission in our country, we have functioned our Constituent Assembly. So let's understand about some important, you can say some important suggestions, recommendations of cabinet missions. So according to cabinet mission in our country, after you can say each 10 lakh population will have one member for Constituent Assembly. This was one of the most important suggestion of cabinet mission. It means in our country, for example, we have one province, and in particular one province there are, you can say, 1 crore population. So 1 crore population will elect 10 member for Constituent Assembly. So this was one of the most important suggestion of cabinet mission. And let's understand about second important suggestions. Second important suggestion of cabinet mission was, that was distribution of seats among three major community, that was Muslim, Sikh and generals. And members who have been the part of this Constituent Assembly, they will be selected based on population representation and single transferable votes. And regarding the selection of members from princely states, it will be done based on consultations, based on discussion with rulers of princely states. So in this way, in our country, we have attempted to draft the Indian Constitution for Indian people.